Ladies and gentlemen, today is a Tuesday video. Before we go to the suction cup mount tests, I have to make a short clip for my granddaughter. It's April, and last week we had 80 degrees. Nice warm weather. So on Sunday I called my granddaughter and she said, "Grandpa, please make a snowman." And I said, well, she lives in California. And I said, hey, we have only snow in the winter. Today is Tuesday. That was on Sunday. Today is Tuesday, April 20th. So I guess I have to figure out a way to make her wish come true. Yesterday I mowed my lawn. Today I wake up to this. So I guess I gotta build the snowman for you. You wanted one. I make a little small one because Grandpa is cold. That's all I do out here because it's freezing cold, and it will be gone soon because on the weekend we have 80 degrees, 77, 80 degrees again. Welcome back to one of my Tuesday videos. They are pretty unusual. Well, here we have a suction cup GoPro, and here we have one of these off-brand suction cup. I don't even know where I got this one, but let me show you that thing. Now, when you think to mount this on your car and drive with 60 miles per hour with some weight on it, I don't know how it holds up. So I'm not going to take the car out and try this out. But I test it later on a lawn tractor. But I make this video a 2-for-1. Because here we certify people in stuff where you can get nowhere else a certification. It's like unbelievable, and our prices are the best. You just watch the video. Today we do the certification for certified grass cutter. Yes, there is such a thing. We just made it up. So to get our certification, we gotta start out small. So we have some scissors in right hand or in left hand. For the advanced users, we use left hand scissors. Next we need a measuring tape, and you want to look up at your homeowners association or whoever decides the length of the grass. Then we measure, and we don't have a homeowners association here, so we just measure and say, I want that grass 3.5 inches. So we start cutting. As you can see, at 2.5 inches, I cut now 2.5 inches. It's a perfect cut. It will take you a while. These are 2 acres, the front and the back, so be prepared to spend a couple days and nights. When you are sufficient in cutting with scissors, we are moving on to our next tool. Only when you're sufficient. So the next time you cut the grass, you have something like this. You just slide the safety thingy here forward, and then you push the button and go along with your measuring tape. And it will take you also a while for all your 2 acres. So I'm gonna use a little bit of bigger tool. And for that, we gotta go in the garage and get this tool. So now that you graduated from your Gardena shears, we use this one. This is an old one. It still runs on dinosaur juice. The new modern ones, you get full electric. We want to make sure where we put the suction cup on, it's clean, so we get an accurate timing when it falls off. So I put it on here. And then press down so it sucks on. And remember, this hood gets pretty hot, so maybe the heat loosens it up. So this is a original GoPro mount. And we'll stick this on here, right next to it. So we have the cameras mounted. Now we just hope the whole thing starts up. And then we go out and start cutting the grass. So we mowed 1 acre of really bumpy lawn, and it was shaking and everything. Outside temperature today was about 65 degrees. The hood was over 100 degrees hot. I expected these cameras or camera mounts to give out and fall off, but both of them stayed on. Even this one was overloaded with a heavier camera than it's supposed to hold, but it held up. So the next test probably will be on a car driving 65 miles per hour, but we have to put a safety strap or something on it just in case they give out, so it's no danger to anyone else. But I leave that for the next time. I know our Tuesday videos are always a little bit mixed up and everything. Please, anyhow, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It really helps us out. And on Fridays, you know, it's the video, more tech stuff, and yeah, it's for my click and point community. So I hope I see you next Friday. Until then,